Good morning, sir. My name is Chanda Gale. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Lomjing, Nepal. I'm unmarried. I have four family members in my family. My education is 10 pass. I'm fit and fine. I have 5 years experience as a factory worker in Nepal. I want to come to Europe as a factory worker to earn money and support my family. I can do loading, unloading, cleaning, and I will stay there for 5 years. And I'm hardworking personal. Thank you.